Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Scorpio. Scorpio people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Scorpio people, in this reading, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Okay, so Scorpio, we have this Three of Wands card. This is your current energy. Scorpio people, you are being optimistic, you are being visionary, you are being somebody who is waiting for something. You want to start something new, you wanted to take some action towards something, but now at this point of time you are holding back yourself because you feel that this is not the right time for you to move on in this towards that project, towards that person, towards that relationship. And for some of you Scorpio, I feel that this is something long distance relationship, because you are standing on this cliff and you are seeing the other cliff which is far away from you. So it seems like you want to move out from this current energy or from current location. Perhaps you want to move out and meet your person, okay, and your person can be could be living in the different region, different province, different country, different continent. But it seems like you are desperate to meet them, you are desperate to take action towards them, but eventually you are also being very wise because you don't want to create any mess for yourself. All right, so you're taking your own time, you're just holding back your feelings, or you are just waiting for the correct time. And basically, in short, I would say that you are waiting for the right time and right ship to board. Okay, on the other hand, we have Knight of Wands in reverse. Your person, mark my words, your person is soon going to take action towards you. Okay, it's not that they are not going to take action. Now they have started taking action towards you. All right, and they are coming towards you in a speed. Perhaps they are also seeing you that you are waiting for them on this cliff, and they are just somewhere there. They are somewhere there and they are seeing you that you are waiting for them. But since you are holding back, perhaps you want to check what this person feels about you. Okay, you just want to make sure that is this person is also feeling the same thing about me the way I am feeling for them. You just want to make sure what they feel about you. And since you are standing here, they are seeing you from a distance. It shows that your person also wants you. And this Knight of Wands is telling me that your person is definitely going to take some action towards you, and they have started taking actions. All right, now let's see what is the mutual energy between you and them. What is the mutual energy between you and them? Harmony. With this card Harmony, it seems like both of you have understood your chapter, your lesson. Both of you have understood the essence of life. Okay, perhaps there will be a lot of holding back from your side and from their side, but now you also feel that okay, it's okay, I should take some action towards this person, and your person is also keen to take action towards you, but still you are not sure about it. Okay, you have little doubt in your head, in your mind, that what if I take action and this person does not want me, or perhaps this person is looking for something else. What will I do? This is the reason you are holding back your emotions, you are holding back your actions. But on the other hand, I'm seeing that your person has got this vision, that clarity in their life, that this is my person, Scorpio is my person, and I have to take this action, I have to get this person in my life. All right, so they, from their perspective, they have got this clarity in life. All right, so Scorpio, I'm going to check, or I'm going to pull 3 cards for you to check your person, how they are seeing you, what actions they are taking towards you right now, on what actions. See, what did I tell you? What did I tell you? I told you that your person is seeing you from a distance, and you are holding back your emotions because somehow you are afraid What if this person won't like me? What if this person judge me? What if? You have so many what ifs. And that's how a person is seeing you. Perhaps they had waited you for so long, and it's like so frustrating to them. Now they think that it's okay, if they are not coming, I should go. This is the reason they are coming in your life. This is the reason they are taking actions. With this card, the outsider card, your person sees you as somebody who is very, very fearful about something. Okay, perhaps you are somebody who has been through a lot of bad relationships. You must have been through into abusive relationships in past, and something is there in your past, something is there in your heart and mind, which is asking you to stop, which is asking you to double check this person, double check their emotions towards you. And this outsider card says to them, or they see you as somebody who is fearful about something. Even though it is a sign from divine, this lock is open, you can easily free yourself and move out, but you are afraid to take action. Okay, and see what I told you, that this person must be feeling why this person is not taking action, and then they had started taking action towards you, and they are somebody who has gained clarity in life. This feeling is torturing them. Okay, they cannot live without you. They can't they cannot imagine their life without you. All right, and certainly these things or these feelings are exhausting them. Okay, they must be feeling that why this person is taking so much of time, why they are not taking action towards me. I'm waiting for them to take action, I'm waiting to hear from them, I'm waiting to meet them, but why they are not taking any action, this and that and blah blah blah. So right now they are thinking a lot about you. And in future, I can see we are the world. It seems like in future, I told you that they have already started taking action towards you. So future is bright for you, Scorpio. With this card, we are the world. It seems like your person is coming towards you in future, and you guys, your reunion is going to complete your world and their world too. All right. So Scorpio, I feel that some of you could be dealing with fire sign Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this 3 of Wands, Knight of Wands, exhaustion card. We have water sign in this reading, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, and we have earth sign Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn in this reading with this outsider card, and we are the world card. All right. So Scorpio people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, please. And do not forget to hit the bell notification button. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.